Yoga is a familiar name to everyone. It has more than 3,000 years of history and tradition. In today's health and wellness approach, it is a holistic form of practice and is classified by the National Institutes of Health as a form of complementary health and alternative medicine. Yoga means to yoke or join. It is an integration of your mind, body, and soul into one cohesive unit. In our busy world, most people live in their head more than in their bodies, and Western medicine focuses on the physical aspect of health, neglecting the mental, emotional, and spiritual aspect that yoga attends to. Through the practice of yoga postures and breath work, you can reconnect your mind and body and discover your true nature. You regain an intimate knowledge of your real self. Yoga is an art of listening to every part of your body. It is not a religion. Instead, it is a system of discovering and developing your psychotherapy and self-evolutionary tools. A roadmap to remove roadblocks along the way when you encounter mental, emotional, and physical conditions. Researchers at the universities of Southern California found an anecdote about natural scenery. It heightens awareness, releases endorphins, and the fresh air increases our breath awareness. Letting go from a conformed setting into an outdoor environment allows you to be in the real world. The sandy ground and the uneven grasses underfoot, the bugs and the ants, and the sound of the birds, and whatever allows you to be grounded on an ever-changing feelings. These stimulations help you to adjust quickly to the environment and stimulate your senses. As published in Environmental Health and Preventive Medicines, scientists have also shown that those who practice regularly in an outdoor environment help to regulate your amygdala that's responsible for your flight and fight response. Grounding the feet allows free electrons from the Earth's surface to spread over into the body. These penetrative electrons has an antioxidant effect which helps to reduce your cortisol and stress level. You'll find that after each practice, your sleep improves and you are more relaxed, thanks to these electrons that change our autonomic responses from sympathetic to parasympathetic. The sympathetic system controls the fight and the flight responses, whereas the parasympathetic system inhibits the body from overworking and restores the body to a calm and composed state. Practicing yoga outdoor helps you to restore your depleted attention resources. Developed by renowned Rachel and Stephen Kaplan, professors of the environmental psychology at the Universities of Michigan, the Kaplans are known for their attention restoration theory. The attention restoration theory, in short ART, improves the clarity of mind, mental fatigue recovery, reflection, and restorations of peace and energy. A source we all need in this fast-paced, city-based, non-stop adrenaline lifestyle in Singapore, where we all can result to adverse effect from directed attention fatigue. Let's rise and shine on a Sunday morning and meet these ardent yogis. They come from different walks of lives and age groups who have various needs in their practice. And one thing for sure, they will definitely bring back a wealth of joy, light, happiness at the end of each practice.
我时常是有去做瑜伽，瑜伽是让我的身心比较活跃一点，而且认识很多新朋友、年轻的朋友，让我的心境比较年轻化。如果整天泡在咖啡店喝咖啡，跟人家讲话，是越来越老化，对我们身心不好。跟年轻人在一起是最好的，因为年轻人你的身心会更加年轻化。
I just retired from the private service and now I am enjoying my golden life, golden year in Singapore, and feel very happy that every Sunday we do have a gathering like yoga, and it's very good. It's a form of exercise, especially the active SG. We encourage us to do more exercise to keep ourselves healthy and to make more friends. Especially on Sunday, it's a good day for us to relax ourselves, to enjoy, and we do feel very happy after doing the yoga, Pilates. After that, we will have a small gathering. Okay, we have some coffee section and we check about our work, everything, how to relax and take care of our body.
Hello， 大家好，我的名字是 Ines。那在COVID 期间的话呢，因为没法回国，实际上我是北京人来的，我是在这边工作蛮久的。那大家都知道，那卧房后给大家的影响很大，所以很难有机会可以碰到我们的 colleague。但是瑜伽的话呢，真的是让我心情非常的舒畅。那同时的话呢，也学习了很多不一样的像密欧发沙，所以瑜伽给你不同的身心的基础的一种改变，我觉得让你身心非常的舒畅。那这次都清楚了，我们也真的是没有机会回家的话呢，那可以碰到很多的新的朋友。所以 Ines 我觉得跟他学习的话呢，比如说甚至学到中医的一些 trigger point， 还有的一些穴位。那帮助我们放松肌肉放松，所以很感谢有机会能够在新加坡能够碰到这么多的新朋友，谢谢大家。
Hi, I'm Adeline. I'm in the 50. I started yoga about 10 years ago, and I saw this yoga class, and I find it interesting, so I just joined in the class.
I joined this group because at this pandemic, it's kind of working from home, sitting at home, and by exercising with a group of people is fun. It helped me to relieve stress and make myself more happier.
During weekdays, I'll spend a lot of time working, so the weekend I'll try not to work and get out of the house and get some sun and have interactions with friends, get to know more people. It helps with my mental health as well.
If you can build the resiliencies of practicing outdoor, you can take your yoga practice anywhere. So happy yogis, happy life. Stay safe and see you again.
Namaste.